Okay, alright guys, welcome back. On this tutorial, we're gonna make some database connectivity or something like that. If we have a time, we're gonna proceed and we're gonna see a lot of awesome and fantastic stuffs out there. Okay, so what I will do, I'm gonna go to which folder. In the core folder, I have a folder which is called a database here. Then I'm gonna create a file which is called connection.php. Okay, just before that, let me show you what kind of site like I've been working on. Okay, it will be PHP my admin. Okay, let me show you the overview of the database, the tables or something like that I'll be working on. Oh, it's not redirecting there. Just let's go. Sorry guys. It will be, I guess, PHP my admin. That's how you spell it, right? Localhost PHP my admin. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's redirecting. So I have a database which is called Sensei Reach. Okay, which stands for Sensei Registration System. Okay, so I have the user here. So it have got the following columns. Okay, user ID, username, password, first name, last name, email, and active. So this the only difference. I'm using an MD5 encryption mechanism to decrypt and encrypt my password. I'm going to use MD5 here. So this user ID is an auto increment. Beside it's a primary key. I have the emails, so the first name and the last name, which are going to be a varchar. But this active, what it will do, if it is 1, it means that the user is active right now, or it's already activated. So I got to say here, which is already activated. Okay, for instance, if I change this thing to 0, by the way, it is a default value. Okay, it's as defined. The default will be 0. It means it's not active. So if I have 0 here, this user is not active. Okay, that's, for instance, just let me leave this thing as an inactive. Okay, so this user is not active right now. Okay, that's my overview of my table here. So I have a database. Have you keep in mind it is Sensei Reach. Okay, so to connect to database in a PHP, what you will do, you will use 2 functions. Okay, the first one is called MySQL Connect. Okay, so it have got 3 attributes, as you all guys know. The first one is gonna be localhost, and the next one, because I'm using a local server here, so the username is gonna be roots, and the password is gonna be empty for my case. So you may have some different attributes than me, based on your privilege that you have assigned to your server. So to select the database, I'm gonna use something which is called MySQL Select DB. My database name is Sensei Reach. Okay, so to make sure, or to add this connection into all files, what I will do, I will make a new file, okay, which is called init or initialize.php, which will be here in my core folder. So I'm gonna call it init.php. So through this init.php, what I will do, I will be able to access the database in the function part. So for my case, I'm gonna add the connection.php file here. Okay, so whenever the page I'm working on, I'll be adding this init file. So let me add this init file here. Just let me come here. Yeah, why don't I would make it to the top? Who cares? Then include /. It is on the core folder. No, it's not in the include folder. It's in the core folder, init.php. Okay, so I'll come here and then see my page here, just whether I'm connected to the database or not. Just let me make an attribute to make sure that I'm connected or not. What I can do, just I can intentionally make a mistake and see the mistake on my page. No mistake being generated, right? So what's my problem here? Connection.php, localhost, Sensei Reach, in the index page, init.php. Yeah, there gotta be some mechanism there. Oh, it's not responding because I'm in reach.php. So I'm gonna use index.php here. I'm supposed to have an error here. Yeah, it's generating an error if you see it here. So it means that my database connection is working. It's not working, but I intentionally made a mistake and I'm able to see this error here. So if it is not generating any mistake, it means I'm successfully connected. Okay, so let me come here and refresh my page. Nothing is happening, so I was successfully successfully logging into my database. I was able to connect. On the next tutorial, we're gonna see some good functionality. We're gonna make a login or logout system, like we're gonna create the forms or something like that. Till we see on the next tutorial, keep on subscribing, keep on watching. See you guys, peace and love.